What's up, ladies and fellow tradesmen and gentlemen and whatnot and assholes in the industry? Because we got a few of them. Well, I'm going to take y'all on a special, real special live canvassing. All right, this is just one favor after another. And see, you got to keep the cycle going. So that just doesn't mean you do a good deed one day and then that's it. It's a lifelong thing, you know. You either do it or you don't. There's no half stepping, okay? So let's jump right into it. I got a job that was given to me quite some time ago. It just so happens I just decided to do something about it. But there was a fellow tradesman. He used to be, let's say he used to be a fellow tradesman. And this is the same guy I talked to y'all about. And I mentioned that he got hurt at M.A.W, which was one of our accounts. M.A.W at the time was one of the largest pharmaceutical companies in the United States. They have three big, well, no, I should say they have two big factories. And the third one is the headquarters. That's where all the paperwork and all the, motions in the ocean, so to speak. The other two, one is in West Point, Pennsylvania. One of them actually, this is where they do the testing on the animals of the monkeys and the horses and stuff. This is where they do all the testing at. The other one is where they manufacture all the drugs and have them shipped out and all that crap. So this guy got hurt and sued our former boss and M.A.W. And he started his own, he left the job and started his own handyman / construction business, remodeling homes and stuff. So I'm meeting with him today, and he wants to do a church. He wants to pay to have a church windows cleaned. Yes, he could do it himself, but he's not in the game anymore. He know I'm still in the game, and I got the equipment, and I got everything needed to do the job. The windows are up high, so he'd rather just pay somebody to just do it. So it's a donation to the church. Actually, his father is the preacher or the deacon of the church. I don't know. But we're going to go there. I guess I'll find out when I get there what exactly his father is to the church. I don't know if his father owns the church or what, but needless to say, it's for a worthy cause. I'm doing a good deed. So am I charging them? I gotta charge them something, but nowhere near as what I would charge a regular customer, because this is the Lord's house I'm cleaning, okay? So I really would do it for free, but Nigel's gonna pay me something, depends on how big the job is. I just want something for my time, as far as the profit, I'm not gonna make a profit. I won't do that in the Lord's house. The Lord has provided everything I needed to survive. So I don't need to be a pig in life. You feel me? So for me to charge the Lord's house and make a profit it's just unethical. I just wouldn't do it. Maybe some of you would, but I just wouldn't do it. And besides, word gets out that I did these windows sort of as a charitable cause. Man, shoot, I had probably get more calls than I know what to do. Oh, that sounds like a nice fella. Now, that's a person I want to do business with, you know, because he's not trying to take advantage of folks. You know, people can get a sense of someone's character when they care enough to do something like that. It shines through all day, every day. If you don't think it doesn't speak words and big words, you're highly mistaken. Then keep getting over on people. Keep doing you. You know, there's a lot of you out there that are shysters in this industry. I'm not going to just start pointing, fingers at companies that are lousy and, shouldn't even be in business, or, certain fellow tradesmen who, shouldn't be in business or won't be in business long. I don't tell people. I keep my mouth shut, and I sit back and I watch. This is how you learn things. Staying quiet, watching and observing. I observe a lot, which is why I keep to myself, and I don't belong to many Facebook groups. I'm not going to make this video long, but y'all can come on and join me, and I'll see you when we get there. All right, we're here. Is that the high windows you talking about? Yeah. But the ground, I see part of the ground drops depending on where I'm going to be doing it from.
Like
I could
do it. I used to do it for them for spring cleaning. I had to had somebody down here leaning on the roof to get
what,
upstairs.
ladders?
Instead of using.
Oh, hell no.
Yeah.
I ain't climbing no ladders, but I can get that without climbing the ladders.
Yeah.
Because I got a water-fed pole.
Yeah, you got what you got.
Yeah. And even if I had to stand up on top of that ramp and get those two, right, and then do the others, yeah, man, that ain't no problem. That ain't no problem at all. That's easy.
Right.
Yeah. All right. So this is what we have. And what about the other side? There's windows around the other side? All right, so you just what would you want? Just the outside?
No, the inside too. But
oh, inside too?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on 1 second. I'm just looking at these other ones. Oh.
I mean, but the inside bottom, probably the inside top is probably what I would need you to do. The inside bottom, anybody can do. They got their own, the women
so
go
just
around
the outside
the top,
and the tops of those.
Look through the window to the other side.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I see. Right. It's just like this side on
right.
This?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Identical?
Right.
Okay. Yeah. All right. What about the lower level? You just wanted the high stuff done.
No, I mean the outside.
The whole outside, right?
Yeah, do the whole outside.
And then the high stuff on the inside. Right. Because they can do the other stuff at their leisure. Right. Okay. Right. I got you.
Absolutely.
All right. So, all right. Is that a floor? Can you walk up there on that one?
Yeah, you can walk up there.
But not the ones in the main part, right? Okay.
Right. Yeah, right.
All right. So, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right.
Tops. I ain't had a gooseneck. I ain't had none of the gooseneck or nothing, so I had to put my ladders up there.
Oh yeah, I got all the latest equipment. Right. So,
how you doing, brother?
All right.
When you look around back, it's a little different around back though.
All right.
How you make out today?
Yeah, good. I got 2 Firestones done. But that's I wasn't planning on. Nah, the new one I was gonna do with Rick.
Right.
That was 5 stores I had to do. I wasn't trying to do nowhere near that today.
If you had him with you, how many?
I would have did them. I would have did it all.
Okay.
Okay. I see what y'all got.
You're saying nothing like they can do the inside of this.
All right. $100. That's it.
4 tops on both sides.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Yeah. And that's not really making a profit off this job. That's just
I still had gooseneck. I ain't got none of this. I used to have one.
Yeah. Yeah, cause
they call me on spring clean. I get ladder out and I come down here and just do it.
Right. Yeah. Is that too much for you, or?
No, I can do it because I'm gonna pay for it and then I'm gonna tell them, it's my charity for them.
Right.
Just do it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But the whole thing is while you're doing it,
right.
You politicking, and they get a lot of people. They got a lot of businesses.
Oh yeah, without a doubt.
Right.
So I know
you carry yourself, right?
Yeah.
You know
I got business cards, so
the way you carry yourself is more important.
Right. Yeah.
Say something to you,
absolutely.
You know how it go.
Oh yeah. Presentation is everything.
Right.
So if this job is getting done and they see that you're doing it for a charitable cause, and
right.
I'm pretty much not making a profit off this job. This is the Lord's house, so it's like more or less I'm just for my time, pretty much.
I was doing it because it was. I just came to do it.
Oh yeah.
When they got, I just come bring my ladder.
Oh okay. And they appreciated that.
Yeah,
I'm sure. Yeah.
Ain't nobody who gets up there. Ain't nobody getting up
exactly.
They gotta climb. I'm used to getting up on the ladder, even though I hate it.
Right. Yeah, because you're doing the home remodeling and stuff.
We older now. Ain't nobody trying to get way
up there. Nah. That's for them young fellas. Yeah. I leave that to them. Yep. Yeah, shoot, Rick don't barely get up on the ladders unless he got to.
Yeah, I don't do it unless I got to. I do capping for windows and stuff.
Yeah.
I mean, if I have
some things are unavoidable, but
right,
you just take your time. That's all.
Right,
not like how it was when we were younger. We run up and down the ladder. How you doing?
Right.
Run up and down the ladder like a monkey.
Right.
But not now. Shoot. But all right. Well, just let me know when you want to go ahead and do it, because this probably gonna take me
done right now before it get cold to get it out the way and get it ready for the next one.
Okay.
So it get done right.
All right. So that job at the church, it has 45 windows, and they gotta be done in and out. So that's like cleaning 80 something windows, and I'm only charging $100. Now, they said that I don't have to do the inside on the floor area because they could do that at their leisure. He just wants the whole outside, and there's like 8 windows at the very top, and you need a long extension post because in the church, it's nothing but a ceiling. But it's 2 floors on half of the building, if that makes sense. I didn't take y'all inside because they were having a function in there. They actually invited him and I to come in and grab something to eat. But we didn't. He was going to the movies and I was going somewhere else. But ultimately, you will see me on this job and I will record the whole thing. Now, how am I going to do this? Well, I'm going to leave it up to y'all. Comment below this video and you tell me how you want to see me do this job. And no, I ain't getting on no goddamn ladder. So you can scratch that for those ladder people who like to be face and nose to the glass. You could climb up there like a monkey if you want, but you a fool when you can get it done safely and just as fast, if not faster. Hey man, learn to use a pole. That's all I got to say. But anyway, if you would like to see me do it traditionally with a pole, or use the water-fed Wagtail wave, or the constructor brush, or would you like to see me use a specific tool to get the job done? Just to show you that it's not always the tool, it's the person with the skill that's going to allow you to use that tool in a way that's going to make you some bucks. Now, Wagtail being a versatile tool, meaning you can eliminate ladders out of your life with it because it's a swivel. It shouldn't be too hard to be able to do things traditionally with a pole because of the swivel action. You could form it to the window on any angle or any position so you don't have to move about too much. But I posted a video, but I posted it on the wrong channel. And I told y'all that the laws of attraction apply when you're doing your daily routine in life, whatever it may be. Always practice random acts of kindness. Because of my kindness and giving nature, I decided to buy my worker. I'm going to upload that video as a matter of fact so y'all can see. But basically, I got one blessing after another. So I decided to return the blessing and put some money in the Lord's church. Because it's something that they need and they want done. But the churches, you know, they're on a fixed budget. So a lot of churches, they'll get services or donations from people that attend the church. They may be in different areas of business and they may cut them either a break or they may just donate the service for free. You feel me? So I decided to do it next to nothing. Now, all he's paying for is my time. Because that job, cleaning like 80-something windows, technically would be over $250, you know, or even more, depending on what method you're going to use to get it clean. If you got to use ladders, some would charge more, some would charge less. You know, see, I know what my time is worth, so I'm not going to be a pig in life, you know, so I'm just going to, you know, it probably take me like, I say about 4 hours, no more than 4 hours. Anywhere between 3 and 4 hours. Because I think I'm going to do the inside for him anyway. Just to donate just to contribute. You know what I mean? It's the Lord's house. So if I got hey man, if that's the only thing I'm going to schedule for that day, then so be it. It's not like I'm walking away empty-handed. You know, I'm getting $100. I really should be doing it for free. You feel me? But, you know, I think this is okay. Maybe next year, I'll just do it for free, you know, because I'll be in a better position. Let's put it that way. Right now, I'm not in that kind of a position to do that, but I can cut them a substantial break. That much I can do. But this is Masters at Wagtail. And I'll see you in the next one. Oh, I'm going to upload that video of what I was telling you about the laws of attraction. So stay tuned for that. Mac and Frackalacka. Peace, peace, peace.